My teeth have been falling apart for a long time, and I have had such a frustration with trying to find some kind of a method that was not going to break the bank. I kept seeing advertisements for pop-on veneers. How can they be so much cheaper and still give you this kind of like quality smile that you're hoping for? So I went ahead and I placed my order, and it took a day, and I got the kit that comes in the mail. I followed the process. You make 3 trays, and I did. It was simple. It literally took them about a week and a half. Couldn't be easier. You literally just slap them on there. They click right into place. It's very, very easy. And I was just blown away. Instantly, they just automatically made my whole demeanor glow. They look really very natural. You can see your gum line. These are literally molded from your own teeth, and they are a perfect fit because they're based off of your own mouth. It looks so good and it feels good. If you're on the fence about it, you've tried other methods and they're not working out, or like me, you're not willing to, second mortgage your house or afford to have implants put in at this point in time, here's a great alternative.